Hey there, hustlers. Are you ready to turn your spare time into serious cash? Today, we're about to dive into something that can change your life. We're going to talk about some of the best side hustles for beginners to make money online in 2024. But first, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, consider subscribing because on this channel, we're all about making money online. So if that's something you have a passion for as well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's start off with the side hustle that everyone is talking about, and for a good reason, because it allows you to generate passive income. And that side hustle is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when an individual promotes a company's products or services by driving traffic to those products or services, which ends up leading to a sale. In return, the company pays that individual a commission. When it comes to how much you can make doing affiliate marketing, there are people making six figures, but it depends on the product or service you're promoting. Some affiliate marketplaces offer a one-time commission on each sale you make, but the best ones are the ones that offer a monthly recurring commission, meaning every sale you make, you'll be earning a commission from those sales every month, as long as the person that bought those products or services continues to do so. You're probably wondering where you can sign up to become an affiliate and start earning a commission. Almost every brand or company you can think of most likely will have an affiliate program you can sign up to. Amazon is one of them. You can sign up to Amazon's affiliate program and earn a commission every time someone purchases a product through your affiliate link. But there are affiliate programs that offer a higher commission percentage than Amazon's, like ClickBank. ClickBank offers a really high commission for each sale you can generate, and they offer a monthly recurring commission on some of the products on their marketplace. If you would like me to make a separate video on affiliate marketing, how to find the best products to promote, and how to drive traffic to those products, leave a comment down below. The next side hustle is being a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will pretty much be someone that can remotely complete tasks for a client, because that person might be too busy to get those tasks done and needs assistance. These tasks can include email management, scheduling, data entry, social media management, customer support, and more. According to Glassdoor, a virtual assistant with 0 to 1 year of experience can earn anywhere between $38,000 to $61,000 per year. A few websites you can apply to be a virtual assistant are Wing Assistant. They have a bunch of different virtual assistant jobs you can apply for. Another one is Fancy Hands. This website allows you to be more flexible with your schedule, but does not pay as much. Another website is Upwork. There are a lot of people on this website looking to hire virtual assistants to do certain tasks for them. The next side hustle is being a social media manager. A social media manager is responsible for creating, scheduling, managing, and optimizing social media content to go viral and drive traffic to increase brand awareness for a company or an individual. If you're someone that is on social media a lot, why not make money for it? According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a full-time social media manager is between $49,000 to $89,000 per year. There are people doing this as a gig on websites like Fiverr by offering their services as a social media manager, and they're setting their own prices. I would recommend starting low and then scaling up. For full-time positions, you can find many of those on job listing websites like FlexJobs or on a website like Wing Assistant. If you decide that being a social media manager is something you would like to do on the side, I'll leave some tools I recommend that can make the job a lot easier in the description down below. The next side hustle is being a transcriber. If you don't know what a transcriber is an individual who converts spoken language into written text by listening to audio recordings or videos and accurately typing out the spoken words. Transcribers often work in various fields, such as media, legal, and medical. If you've never transcribed an audio file before, I will show you how you can get started by taking a practice test, transcribing audio files in a minute. How much you can earn from being a transcriber really depends on how much time you can put in. For example, a transcriber that works for HappyScribe can expect to earn around 450 euros monthly. But if you're willing to put in more time, you can earn up to 3,000 euros a month. Some more websites that you can apply to be a transcriber are Daily Transcription, where you can earn $45 to $66 per hour of material, and Rev, where you can do it on the side and earn on average $245 a month, or put in more time and earn up to $1,500 a month. To take a practice test, all you need to do is go to Google and type in practice transcription and then click on any of the top results. Then you can choose a file and start practicing. Next is doing paid surveys and tasks. This involves participating in market research activities or completing small online tasks in exchange for some kind of rewards that can then be used to get cash or gift cards. You won't make a lot from doing these, but it can add up, and if you've got nothing to do, this can be a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. Some websites you can sign up to for these paid surveys and tasks are Survey Junkie, Surveyou, Swagbucks, QMe, Taluna, and branded surveys. This is probably one of the easiest side hustles you can do. If you don't know what a chat operator is, I've made a full video on it. You can go check it out by clicking the card on screen. And don't worry, being a chat operator does not involve talking on the phone. So what you would have to do as a chat operator is you would have to send out text-only messages to lonely people, pretty much talking about anything, and you will be completely anonymous, so they won't know who you are. Websites like Remotely For You will pay you up to $300 weekly, and some of their top chat operators make more than $3,000 a month. Texting Factory, where you can also earn on average $300 weekly. And Chat Writers, where you can earn up to 20 cents for every message you send. This next side hustle is one that I think we can all agree is the most fun side hustle you can do. There are websites that will actually pay you to play games, but there's a catch, and we'll get to that in a minute. First, let me show you where you can find these websites and how much you can actually earn by doing this. You can get paid to play games at websites like Free Cash, Testerup, Daily Rewards, and App Karma. Okay. So I've made an account on Free Cash, and as you can see, different games offer a different amount of cash you can earn. Now remember that catch I was talking about? Well, here it is. As you can see, reaching certain levels will earn you a certain amount of rewards. But to get all of the rewards, you would have to reach those levels in a certain amount of days. So that's something to be aware of. If you're getting value from this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It only takes a second, and it helps support the channel. Thank you. Like the last side hustle, this one involves playing games as well, but you're not just playing games, you'll be testing them. Before games are released to the public, the developers of those games need help learning what players think about their games, and if there are any issues that need to be fixed. You can test games on the side on websites like Playtest Cloud, and they pay around $9 for a 15-minute playtest. Game Tester is another website where you guys can test games, give your feedback, and get rewarded for doing so. All you have to do is sign up, then you'll get notified about upcoming games you can test, and then you can be the first to play and get rewarded for your feedback. The next side hustle is a data annotator. So what is a data annotator? A data annotator is an individual who labels or tags data to make it understandable and usable for machine learning algorithms. For example, if there's pictures of animals, a data annotator might label each picture with the name of the animal in it to help AI recognize the different animals. You can get started at websites like Data Annotation Tech and start earning $20 an hour upwards. Another great website you can check out is Appen. You don't need any experience for you to get started. As of right now, Data Annotation Tech is only accepting folks from the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, New Zealand, and Australia. Appen is more worldwide with members from 170 countries. The next side hustle is being an online language tutor. There are a lot of people around the world that will pay to learn a language. And if you're fluent in one or more languages, you can tutor people online and get paid for it. An example of this is the website Cambly. You can become an English tutor, and you don't need a teaching certificate, bachelor's degree, or any prior experience. You can make about $10 per hour on Cambly and $12 per hour on Cambly Kids. They pay weekly via PayPal, direct deposit, and more. You can work from anywhere, and you can work as little or as much as you want. So this is something you can do in your free time. Another website is Preply. Preply is a great website for not only teaching others English, but you can also teach other languages. So if you know another language that you can teach someone, then you'll have less competition. As you can see here, there are languages that have far less teachers than others. And like Cambly, you don't need any experience to become a tutor on Preply. You can decide how many hours you want to teach, and you can set your own rate. It says on average, English tutors charge anywhere between $15 to $25 per hour. The next side hustle on the list is starting a blog. If you like writing, then this could be the side hustle for you. To get started with blogging, you first need to choose a topic you're passionate about and select a blogging platform. You can make money on your blog through affiliate marketing, selling your own product or courses. And if your blog is connected to your website, you can make money from ads. To drive traffic to your blog, you're going to want to optimize it with SEO so it can rank on Google and to drive traffic to it right away. You can do that through social media by posting on Pinterest and TikTok, and then having a clear call to action, so people can click on your link, sending them straight to your blog post. Starting a YouTube channel, in my opinion, is the best way to make money online, because it opens up so many opportunities. You don't even need to talk or show your face. There are a lot of successful YouTube channels out there that are faceless. There are a lot of ways you can make money on YouTube. You can make money through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling your own course or products. There's no limit to how much you can make doing YouTube. And if you want to know how you can make faceless YouTube videos, you can find out by clicking the video on screen. If you appreciate me taking the time to make this video, give it a like to help it reach more people, and subscribe to the channel because I have a lot more side hustles to share. And some of those side hustles are side hustles that no one's talking about.